Hi, my name is Alain, and my idea for this project was a tic-tac-toe, and I was inspired by this because I like the simplicity of the tic-tac-toe game. I wanted to start by coding a simpler game, and I like the idea of having a real life game and transferring it into a digital game. This project, I learned how to use the feature of turtle, which allows us to tell a turtle what to do. I also learned print that allows us to communicate or ask the user a question. For example, this is the code I used to draw the board, and this is the code I used to draw the squares and the X. This is a demonstration of the winner, and if you have no winner, this is what it will say. My favorite part about working on this project was measuring the exact proportions of the tic-tac-toe project. I like the process of trial and error until I found the exact coordinates. And if I could improve my project, I would add a winning screen that pops up when player 1 or 2 wins, and a screen that pops up when there's a tie. Thank you for listening.
All right, cool. While you pull up your tic-tac-toe game, I'll rep it and show us like a round or something.
Yeah, so here it'll draw the board, and then it'll ask you what position, and you can just put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I'm at 9. And for example, if you put
just click the X where it says deployments at the top, right next to output where it says deployments. Yeah, click the X right there. All right, there you go.
Yeah, for example, if you put 1, it'll just go on square number 1.
Okay.
And if you put 2, it'll go on square number 2.
All right, cool. Nice. And what happens if you try to draw on a square somebody already went on?
It will just skip you. For example, if you try to draw on square number 2, it won't let you, but it's still your turn. So you can, yeah, you can draw on square number 3.
Oh, cool. All right, and then what happens when somebody wins?
It'll just say winner.
All right, cool. All right, nice job, Alan. It's very good.